Language translation. Do I really need to tell you? This is one that you already know about. Language translation involves converting text from one language to another while maintaining the meaning and context. This task is essential for global communication and accessibility. More than that, language translation is a critical communication tool that allows people who speak different languages to understand each other's ideas, information, and messages. And translating from one language to another is typically not an easy task. There's many different things to take into account, and it's not even close to a one-to-one mapping from one language to another. Also, some languages are structured in wildly different ways. Anyway, let me just do a quick sample from English to Spanish, which should be sort of straightforward. This is the text that I want to translate. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, the pangram that I've used a couple of times. So now, to translate this, what I need to do is translate the words. Right? Kind of, yeah. Da translate to el, quick, rápido, brown, marrón, fox, zorro, and so on and so forth. But in Spanish and English, some of the words go in a slightly different order. So there are some adjustments that are necessary. And this is an easy translation, believe me. There are others that are much more complex. However, the OpenAI API can do this in a wonderful way. Let me show you with a demo. This is the notebook called Language Translation, which starts just like the others. And this is the input text. Xavier Morera is currently working as fast as he can to create this course because he's very close to the deadline. And now this is my prompt. Translate the following text from English to Spanish, and I provide the input text. Now, when I execute, the response is wonderful. Xavier Morera está trabajando actualmente tan rápido como puede para crear este curso, porque está muy cerca de la fecha límite. That is pretty much perfect. And of course, you can do it with other languages. Let's say English to German. I execute, and Xavier Morera arbeitet derzeit so schnell wie möglich daran. I don't think that sounded as it should. This is how it sounds.
Xavier Morera arbeitet derzeit so schnell wie möglich daran, diesen Kurs zu erstellen, da dem Abgabetermin sehr nah ist.
As you can see, language translation, which used to be not a very easy task, expensive if you do it manually, and error prone, can be done in a wonderful way by a GPT model.